Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, we will discuss JavaScript. But before that, to make this video easy to understand, we are going to learn about a new element called button. As the name suggests, this element is used to create the buttons in HTML. Let's see the example. Buttons are created with the help of the button tag. So create button tag. Here we should give the text and that will be appeared on the button. Let's enter, click here. Save the code, let's see the output. And that's how HTML button appears. Back to the main topic. JavaScript is an extremely powerful tool that helps in handling your HTML content easy. HTML in itself doesn't have much programming aspect to it. It's just typing out a content in a stylish way to make it appear on your browser in the way you want. Note that JavaScript is an extremely large topic to cover in a short time. In this video, we will see the basic usage of JavaScript. As I said in the previous video, the IDs and classes are going to be much useful in this topic. Before that, how we include JavaScript code in HTML file? Simple. Include the JavaScript code within the script tag. You can place script tag anywhere in the file, but for best results, place it at the end of your HTML body. As you see the structure, for the best results, the script tag is given at the end of the HTML body. Cutting the introduction, let's now see how we actually use JavaScript to modify HTML content. Recall the example that we used in the last video. This is the code we used in the previous video and the output is on the right side of your screen. Let's enter JavaScript code to change the styles of the unordered list items. The first and most important function we are going to learn in JavaScript is the getElementById. This function is used to select the HTML element with a specific ID. To understand this better, we will see a script for the previous example. Let's create a button first. Click here and let's create the script tag, script. Let's declare a function. A function is nothing but a set of statements that can be executed by calling the function name. We can create the function with the help of the function keyword. Type function and the function name can be anything as you wish. Let's enter as change, open the curly braces and type document dot get element by id. Since JavaScript is case sensitive, we have to be more careful on the syntax. In get element by id, EBIR in uppercase and within bracket, let's enter id of the first list. id1 dot, then style is an attribute to change the style dot font size. In font size, s is in the uppercase and equal to, let's enter 25 pixels and semicolon. Similarly, for the next list, let's change the color. Then close the script tag. To call this JavaScript function when the button is pressed, we make use of the onClick attribute. The onClick attribute specifies which function to be called when the button is clicked. You enter the onClick attribute on the opening tag of the button. OnClick equal to, within double quotes, enter the function name, change. Save the document and let's see the output. Now when the button is clicked, the font size is increased in the first list and the color is changed in the second list. This is the one of the several ways you can make use of JavaScript to modify the HTML content. Let's now see the another example. We will simulate a counter with the help of the JavaScript. And now here is the code for the another one. Here we have created a counter with paragraph tag to display the count and a button to increment the counter. Whenever the button is clicked, the function add is called. Each time the function is called, the counter is incremented and paragraph tag is updated. Okay, whenever I click the button, the counter is incremented and displaying on the web page. And that's all for this video. Thank you. Happy learning.